Hello, good morning, and welcome to the 16th day of the challenge going from 0 to 100k. How is everyone today? I hope you're having a good morning, or evening, or afternoon, or night. Today is the last day before I go on vacation, and I won't be streaming for 12, that's 40, so 10 working days, so that's 2 weeks. Guten Tag. Alright, let's see. Put that down. Hey Francisco, how are you, my favorite Italian buddy? Mr. Pigeon, first. Unfortunately not. Hey Pedro, Marco. Good morning, guten Tag. Bună dimineața. Hello, Limitless. Alrighty. I still have the feeling that, can you hear me well? Maybe something happened to my mic. By the way, let me show you something. I'm going to make some noise. It takes a while. So, do you know what this is? This is a pop filter. You can see that if I put this on my face, you can you can't see me, so basically it filters a pop. It's a pop filter. Florin ASMR. Hey Fatih. I almost read it. Let's fate. It's a pen. Yeah, exactly. It's Florin only, not Florin pop. Okay, so I messed up my pop filter. Pop. Okay. Good work. You basically became John Cena. Nah, I'm better than John Cena. I became The Rock. No, The Rock wasn't that good. I mean, he was good, but I was watching wrestling like 15 years ago. Probably more. Yeah, but John Cena was my favorite. But now as an actor, Dwayne Johnson, I like him more. Anyway. Memes. The Great Khali, yeah, I remember him. The Flash is fast. Yeah. And the pop is purple. Alright, good. Big Show, yeah. Now they all make movies. Okay, chat, let me know if you can hear me well before we go on to the next phase, which is, I don't know what phase we have today. I don't need that, I need that, I might need the... Okay. It doesn't matter what you remember. True. Alright, so think. Yeah, working. I think if you go on Notion, this is why I always leave to-dos here, because I can go back and see what I have to do. Okay, write tweets for weekly deals for devs launches. All right, prepare deals for next week. I have one more project which I have to add, so that's almost done. Prepare emails for weekly deals for devs. All right. So yeah, these 3 should be done today. Since I'm going on vacation, I have to make sure that weekly deals for devs is like working well and all that. Okay, we had some visitors today and yesterday as well. Whoa, a huge spike here. Yeah, I'm wondering how many clicks it got. When I'm coming back, I was thinking, when I'm running, I think about stuff. And I was thinking how I can improve this project. And if it's worth it to like go beyond and try to improve this project. I think before a product hunt launch, I need to make it different. Also here I want to add the prices for the featured product, because I get a lot of messages, people want to be featured, but yeah, they need to know that it's a paid, so you have to pay here. Anyway, I forgot something very important. I'm still in the Make Money Dev database. I'm still live on that URL. So I need to change this. I want to, Anyway, let me rebuild the site. For Netlify. Here. So Make Money Dev, I can deploy, trigger deploy, so that it will add the current link. Now if you go on the site and click here, yeah, it shows yesterday's stream. What about some idea to promote YouTube channels in the future? I would pay. Yeah, I mean, if it's for developers, of course. But like, sorry, I have something in my throat. Let me open the window. Hey, Kapoor. Yeah, so I'm thinking, like, the idea behind the featured prod deals is that, yeah, it's paid, you know? I mean, I could promote YouTube channels and stuff, but it kind of needs to be a change of the dynamics of the site, you know? Kind of. That's what I'm thinking. I want to see how many people clicked on the I'm live button. I also, with time, I want to grow this site. Yeah. Yeah. Makes sense. Okay, weekly deals for devs that has the most clicks. The notes, plausible, Gumroad make money, study freelancing, so that gets some clicks. Okay, so you got 16 people. Alright, I mean, not bad. When I'm coming back from vacation, I want to put more effort into making this site more. Next video course, how to make 100K followers on YouTube. Yeah, I mean, those could sell, you know? Either followers on Twitter or YouTube subscribers, but I need to put some effort into it, and yeah. I could definitely work out of a project which goes about that, what I did, and yeah. Okay. Yeah, people like 100. Alright, so now this button goes to this stream. What about a featured guest on this show? Uh, I want to start working and collaborating with other people in the future. At the beginning, I'd like to work on some projects which I can like build on my own and try to learn as much as possible. But with time, yeah, I'd like to go beyond that and build something with someone else. That would be nice. You're right, Kapoor. Definitely. Yeah, I'm glad it helped. Okay, 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 let's focus. The conversion rate is amazing. 40%. Wow. The only thing is that it tracks all clicks. But still, like weekly deals for dev got 19%, and the make money my ebook got like 2.3%. That's not huge. All right. Yeah, definitely. I want to work on growing Make Money Dev. I want to start writing articles and sending emails. Currently, this has. Let me show you. I mean, let me check. I can't show you because private email. ConvertKit. Something happened. I almost died. So hot. Okay. So the Make Money Dev website has 1,134 34 subscribers, and I want to start to send emails to those subscribers. I started paying $49 a month already to like have those subscribers. So I mean, yeah, don't die on stream. I try. Hey, Sebastian. Okay. All right, let's work on weekly deals for devs. Let me add the last week, create and make it all good. Prepare it for the launch. I think I need to add one more project, and I have the project. So we have this, which I'll need another image. This is good, this is good, this is decent. I might have another image for that. Hey Vicky, now here just discovered with Twitter, inspired by work. Thank you, I'm glad that you like it. Okay. So I might have... I could use this. Let's save image as... Oh... web browser. Probably it looks better, yeah. Web dev guide. Ugh. I might crop it a bit, just so that it goes. Oh, thank you, buddy. But I don't know if that's true. All right, so I might need to crop it a bit here so that this goes to the left. I need to figure out. I need to figure a standard width and height for the project, and probably work out some more media queries so that it doesn't go like this. Okay. That's a feature. All right. Can I drop edit? Like this. Okay. Save. All right. Looks better. It's not perfect, but better. Okay, and I have one more product. For Java developers. Java programming. Java programming from Angie. He's a terrific creator. JPG medium. Okay, and this is add another title. Let me see. This is the link. And no, Java programming. Java programming. All right, let's see how that looks. Yeah, I mean, decent. It's purple. Ha, I like that. Okay, I mean, yeah, this is kind of it. Let's see if these links work. Beginner Tailwind. Hopping. Yeah, this is for $10. Awesome. This is for... Yeah, I need to tell... Okay, this works, and yeah, this works too. Okay, so this week we have, well, this is the third week: Django, Tailwind, JavaScript, WebDev, and Java. All sorts of projects. Okay, and this is in 17 days from now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 14. Awesome. Good. Yeah, I like that, but I'm not. Flavio, for example, he is the most persistent. Whoa, he changed the site a bit. Nice. Really? Yeah, I don't know 100%, but yeah, she has a lot of stuff. Yeah, so Flavio here is the most persistent. Look at this. He has article every single day, and this is like since, I don't know, a couple of years ago. Can I filter something? Yeah, look at this. Oh, this is not daily. When he started, I'm curious. $2017? No. 18. Yeah, I think in 2018. Jan, Feb. Is today. No. Well, nevertheless. Why do you use GPG Medium? This is how Twitter said it, so I don't know. Is it bad? I don't know why. I've downloaded it from Twitter, so not sure why they use that. Okay. So that's that. Okay. All right. Good. So that's done. That's done. Now I need to write the emails. Broadcast. Let's see. Okay. Can I email content? Can I resend duplicate? Awesome. I could use that. All right. So, two. I hope you're having a great week. I know I will. Since this week, I'm in vacation. Beach. What's the vacation icon? Done. Twitter uses large, for example, but Chrome serves the triple large medium. It doesn't seem to be part of any standard, just Twitter being Twitter. Yeah, who knows? I'm on or in on vacation. Trying to enjoy some time off for the following 2 weeks. Okay, good. Let's change the links. This is week 3, so last deals added. Deals. Okay. And git push origin week 3. So now I have the PRs. I just need to, well, I have the the branches. I need to create PRs, and then on Monday I'll accept them. Go to git checkout week 2. When to expect the next stream? In then 2 weeks from next Monday, so in 26. All right. So let's see. Good morning, Joel. How are you? Okay, become a VS Code superhero. I kind of need to previous. Awesome, great, there you're great. Awesome that you're great, that you're awesome, that you're great. Okay, for 19, previously 99. And I'll make this a link. Ah, that happens. Okay, add link. Good. This somehow I need to automate all this. Da, 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 da. For $9.99, $15.99, and this is the link. All right, goody goody. I have this. This is kind of a boring task to do, but yeah. By the way, this is a paid product. Introduction to Vue. I haven't said on the site, but okay. Web. And I might need to put a bit more effort into this, but I'll think about it when I come back. How I can make the emails more intriguing. Okay. Maybe I should not put the number 2 here for people who didn't receive the week 1. Or I can keep them and maybe I'll send them again. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Can I click the links and see where they go? Hey, Fid! How are you? Preview. Oh, preview. I can preview it. Awesome. Click, 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 click. So this works. The code is applied. Awesome. This works. The code is applied. This is free. This is free. This is free. I might say here. Free for a limited time. That's the that's the thing. Like, this introduction to Vue was paid and now it's free. So this is really good, like a good project, a good product. How can I emphasize? Because now the structure of the website doesn't work well. So in the future I might need to yeah. All right, let's see. Continue. Hopefully I don't send it out now. No. Send on. Oh. What just happened? Oh, okay. And I wanted EDT. No. How do I know the right time? Let's see. EDT to UTC plus 3. Oh, the other way around. UTC plus 3 to EDT. Haven't you planning to add screenshots to banner? I know. I'll do that when I come back. I knew you would say that. Bucharest. Okay. So Bucharest 10 a.m. is 3 a.m. EDT. So 3 a.m. on July 12th. That looks good, right? I don't have the right banners and the right sizes, you know, so I have to figure out a way to like have all the images kind of look the same, right? I can't just put like, I mean, here on the website they look okay-ish, but if I put this in the newsletter, some will be big, some will be small, you know. I need to first figure out a system where they kind of look the same. Maybe, yeah, I don't know how yet. I need to think about that. Like maybe instead of showing a cover, I put only the text and some image, or yeah, it's a bit tricky, and I don't want to focus on that now. Okay, so this looks okay, right? Continue? I mean, fingers crossed, I don't know. This will be sent 12 on 3 a.m. ADT. Okay, it's so hard to collect this. Okay, let's see the links. That's good. That's good. 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 Bye. Bye gone. Yeah. That's the trick. I'm very curious. If something is set to send in like 2 weeks from now, and I get more subscribers in the meantime, will they get it? Alright. I guess we'll have to leave and see how that goes. I want to use this again, duplicate, bum 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 bum. It's been a week since I am in vacation. It feels weird too. Should I write this? Yeah, I will. New week, new awesome deals. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Okay. So we have the beginner JavaScript handbook, web dev roadmap, and Java programming course. I should say course here. Course. Hey Jesus, make sure that I have used MailChimp in past and it does send to all of the new subscribers too. Oh, awesome. Good to know. All right, and this one. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and then awesome deals. This is really awesome. For $10 previously, 47, and then Django course for $9.99. Previously $19.99. These might be some, might look a bit boring, but hey, not everything. Okay, good. Review. Let's click the link, see they work. Yep. 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 Okay. Close preview. Continue. Schedule 19, right? At 3 a.m. again. a.m. Yeah, all subscribers. It does say all subscribers, so. Okay, next. And go. Why 3 a.m.? Because 3 a.m. ADT is 10 a.m. Bucharest. Is the time I'm launching. You are late to the party. Okay. All right, so those are done. I'm going to tweet from my tweet, my phone. It's fine. It's fine. So kind of where the notes. Oh, I need to save this. I did some changes. I'm not sure what. Oh, the text. Git commit, updated text. Git push origin week 3. What are you doing, man? I'm good. What are you doing? Okay. Git checkout main. Let's go on GitHub. GitHub and see the PRs. Compare and pull request. Can't merge. Trade pull request. Conflicts. Yeah. I know. Resolve. DC1. All right. So I have 2 pull requests. This one is ready to be merged. And this one is ready to be merged. Just need to merge it on the right time. No, I didn't. Kapoor managed to figure it out, but I didn't, so I won't spend some more time now. Let me check if on GitHub on my phone I can do that. Again. Okay, repositories, pull requests, week 2, and merge. Good. Goody. So it should be all good for the launch. I have the notification in place. So Monday I get notified. I'll click, push, bang, ping, pong. All that. Goody. Notes. All right, so that's done. This is done, and this is done. Yeah. Definitely I'm going to write an article when I come back. Let's see what is important when I come back that week. Improve, find ways to improve weekly deals for tabs. See what is working and double down, see what is not working and make it work. Okay, so that's one. Find an idea, find this, write an article, prepare, start sending emails on Make Money Dev. I want to do this too. An idea, if you put the data for the deals in the DB, you can create Node.js server for which one send emails automatically with the cron job each Monday. Yes, but I wouldn't trust Node to send me the email. I'll still need to use a tool because that email might get into spam if I use Node to send emails. Yeah. If that's what you suggest. I suggest you schedule for the next 2 weeks. You need to set some promotion to get traffic even while you are not working. Yeah. Right now I'm relying on a couple of things. I'm relying on my Twitter to bring in some traffic, on the email to bring in some traffic, and I'm relying on people who I promote in these weekly deals to bring in some traffic. Not sure if you noticed, but like for this week's deal, the CSS cheat sheet by Pratham brought in a lot of views from his Twitter audience. So collaborating with with other creators who are big, adding their project here, and like it's a win-win, right? Like it's a win-win-win. People get great deals. The creator who I promote through this website gets like more eyes on his or her product, right? Maybe make some money, and I grow the platform. Then I can charge more, and I'll do that manually in vacation. Once I send, I'll do it. I wanted to do this now because I won't be at my computer. But when it comes to Twitter, I will be on Twitter probably, and I'll post stuff from there. Hey Taylor, don't worry. All right. So yeah. Google sent me something. Can I Google search keywords? Like another thing. Yeah. So another thing I was thinking when I was running today, how I can make this searchable. Like in order to make it SEO friendly, it might need to have multiple pages, more text, just so that Google will keep sending traffic. I also might convert it to a Next.js project, just so maybe when you click on this page, you are redirected to a page about the product. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. We spent a lot of time yesterday working on something. Okay, so I kind of completed the task for today. The tasks for today. Next project idea. How do you figure out when it's time to move to the next project and leave? Like stop putting time into the project you will be working on. I mean, let's think about it. Weekly deals now brings in $200 a week. Wait a couple of hours of work. That's decent. Probably not like I would like to make over $100 per hour eventually. So for that to happen, and including the fact like I worked to set up this website, so that's something. I don't know how many hours I worked there, but like, yeah, several hours. So in order to bring it to that value, I have to automate it. The email sending, the deals promoted. Like I should have a place where people can submit. Yeah, Taylor. Then yeah, try to. So what I've seen other people do, other indie hackers, is to like work on some side projects after work or before work, and once that is up, yeah, can work great. I've read yesterday the story of Alex West. I was talking with him in this on Twitter. But yeah, let me share this with you. Started Cyberleads, scaled it, suppressed my salary, quit my job. Like, yeah. Pretty cool, right? But he needed a couple of years, 2 years, I guess, 3 years. But look what he said. He told me on Twitter something really interesting. Yeah. So he said, every time you launch, you'll find one thing that isn't needed. From the first launch, I learned that the perfect logo won't save me. From the second launch, that the .com domain won't save me. From the third launch, that pixel perfect design won't save me. For the fourth launch, that extra features I thought were important won't save me. Do I hear the stories? But to be honest, it's not possible for everyone to have enough spare time to work on job responsibility side project. I agree partly. I mean, I don't know. I'm in a place where I have more time than I have the time. I was working in a job and I was writing articles after job. I didn't want to do it while I was working at the job because I didn't felt it was right, even though I had a lot of time in working at my job. But like I didn't have kids and stuff, you know. So I guess that kind of can cut off some of the time. But I wasted, even though I had this time, I wasted a lot of time, and I know that people waste a lot of time. And I also know that some people manage to do it, even with kids and job and stuff like that. They manage to put aside a bit of time, maybe not an hour a day, maybe 30 minutes a day, by, I don't know, maybe a listening while driving, or I mean, I've seen it be done. So my question is, if someone can do it, why can't I? Or yeah, it's definitely. So it's a lot of gray area. You don't know what's going and what will work. My like what I've learned over the years is that if you do something that not a lot of people do, if you take one extra step, it will pay off, right? So even if you like just take a bit of extra time, maybe you use the extra time to be better at your job, or maybe in your job while you're working on the job you do something extra than your coworkers to bring more value to the company. Maybe you will be rewarded with more better salary, or maybe some free time, extra free time. You could work for 6 hours, maybe, I don't know, I'm just saying, and use that time or extra money to eventually work towards. So it's, I see a lot of people just being like, you know what, I don't have time, and nah, it's too much and stuff. Okay, but then don't complain that it's not working, right? I mean, especially if you don't give it a try, right? Uh, yeah, that's how I see it. Might not be the perfect example, might not work for everyone, but that's how I would do it. Uh, it's possible, but really tough, and setting that priority to make sure you start and finish it tough if you're building, if just building takes a few months. Yes, so it's definitely tough. It might be tough. You might be lucky and hit something goal, but like only, I don't know, maybe just take some 5 minutes per day to read other stories, to read other things, to get better at something. I mean, I think it's impossible to say. Well, nothing is impossible, but how can I phrase it? I think it will not be fair to say that you don't have even 10 minutes per day to do something extra, like read that article, subscribe to this newsletter, and get those ideas, and or send a DM to someone you admire to talk with, get on a call. I mean, yeah. Some people are motivated from inside, some need external motivation. It's hard to be the person who stays motivated forever. I agree, yeah. I also need external motivation. I get motivated from inside when I challenge myself. And external motivation when I read articles of people who do it, or people who did amazing things, or I listen to podcasts or watch videos. Definitely you have to work on yourself. The best investment by far is to invest in yourself, to even like knowing yourself better. What are you good at, what are you not good at, what are the conditions you need to work, what are the conditions you need to like be your best version, you know? Yeah, I agree, it's hard to be disciplined and keep good habits. I struggle with that myself. I started to like work out like 2 months, 3 months ago, and I pushed really hard in the first month. I did like 1.6 hours per day of working out on average in a month. That was probably the most I did in my entire life. And it paid off. And it's really hard to, I mean, I can't keep up with that. Now I do like 3 times a week, or no, like 3 times a week, 3 times a week. That's like the average. But I want to go back at least to 4 times a week, 1 hour for those days. It's hard, but I know that if I'm going to do that, I'll be rewarded. Coming on stream every day, I don't see it as hard, to be honest. Right now, I don't see it as hard. Sometimes it's like mentally, no, physically a bit of a barrier, because I don't know, most of the time I don't know what I'm doing, and I feel like a fool. And it's just that, yeah, like I feel like sometimes I feel like, okay, I need to do something amazing, and it's a bit of a pressure on that side. But on the other side, I know that if I'm going to put in a bit of effort, go in every day and learn, I'll be rewarded. I don't know if it takes a month. It'll take a month, 2, 3, 6, a year, 2 years. But I know that I will be rewarded at some point, because I'm doing this and I'm willing to put in an effort. I mean, it's not a lot of effort because I really enjoy it. But yeah, lots of talking. These streams become more of a motivational speeches and stuff. Yeah, let's see what's launched today on Product Hunt. See what's working. Hope is Social, a safe place to co-create. How do you read that? Philosophy. Yeah, philosophy. I can't read. It's a philosophy field. No. Oh well, you get it. Discover, host, and join live shared experiences. Know thyself, show thyself. I like how people started to put pop-ups in the bottom right. Bless UI Gen. Hey, this is from Zoltan. Nice. Ooh. Going from dark team to white team is just Okay, blur value. A nice tool. Opacity. Saturation. Really? What are you going to use it for? Pretty cool. Like, great job. Great job. Sign up for Glass UI. Great job, my buddy. Bolton. Okay. Yeah. I have a doctor's appointment into 1 hour and a half. I need to leave. I don't know what else to do today since I'm going on vacation. Maybe I can go over some ideas. Someone yesterday said about some ideas how to improve this admin page, allow creators to add their products. This is tricky because so on the Weekly Deals website, Weekly Deals for devs, creating an admin page and allowing everyone to submit. Yeah, it's tricky. Description for pre-launch products and purchase parity, or how it's called. I think you should work with pre-launch products first. But how do I find? I need to find. I think probably the priority for the project would be to have more people visit the site and subscribe to the newsletter. Right? Like I need people to come, but for that, I might have to reach out to other places. Yeah, getting more people is definitely what. If you need deals, more people will visit, and the more traffic you get because of the deals you got. Yeah, so great deals, great unique deals, and launching on multiple platforms. I think for launching on platforms, I should have something special this project is not that amazing right now. Many creators want those early signups for the products they are working on, so you will get those deals too. Oh, like that's a good idea. Like having, yeah, they want to have people check their site and subscribe and stuff. I'm curious. Hey, dads. Not just subscribe at early discount. Not sure what you mean by that. Yeah, so bring in more traffic. Like Kapoor, even like for the launch, I mean, yeah, the launch will bring in a lot of traffic at once, but we need these people a reason to stay. That's the trick. The trick with this website is that people come, see the deals, and leave. And they maybe come back the next week. But that's a maybe. And that maybe is influenced by the fact that, like, most likely they won't remember, right? They won't remember about this. They will come back if, like, they get notified if they enter their email. Josh CSS course is not complete. Nah, it's not. He got previously launched the discounted price and was super hit. I know, yeah. So I also need to let people know that this place is a good place to get traction initially. That's a good one. People will subscribe, more subscribers, more people willing to put deals plus newsletter sponsors. Yeah, he's still working on the course and still developing. He launched with the basics. Yeah, I know. I've been talking with him and I know the launch and he did a great job. Yeah, so I'm thinking this should be a great place to launch. Like, people go on Product Hunt to launch stuff because other people go on Product Launch to see who launched what, right? But Product Hunt has this social media kind of structure where people go there, they comment, they like their, and they have it every day, so you go every day on Product Hunt. I definitely should put more effort into having amazing deals for people to be willing to come back. And yeah, like just getting in front of more people. That to grow this. Like for someone to promote on the site, because like on my side, I want to get more people to pay for be featured, right? Like that's the goal for the challenge, to make some money. And in order for that to happen, people who promote the product, they need to make their money back, right? Not necessarily right away. Like for example, let me show you something which I can use as testimonial. I'm going to put just a text there to know that I haven't read. I've read till that. So let me show you something from this project, the 50 projects link. Where is it? Yeah, I can share this. So look at this. This is the effect weekly deals got on this project, right? Like it's nice. It is something. Look at the jump. See, so this is good. Yeah. I mean, probably the fact that this like looks nice. 50 React projects looks it's interesting, right? My audience wants that, so yeah, good. But what's the? I'm worried. I'm curious. What's the difference? If this is 300, this might be 20. No, probably less. That's more than your subscribers. Yeah, right? I mean, for real. Yeah, that's also good. I never thought about it, but yeah. So people came to this site and subscribe, but you know why? Because they had to subscribe to get the free ebook. See? That's the thing. And people here, I mean, sure, got notified, but they had to here to get the deals. Here you don't have to, you can come visit the site. But what's the difference? This is one mouse. How can I calculate it? Like the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 times more. So yeah, like he gets 30, 20, 30 average. The accurate means of measurement. Shut up. I mean, oh, it's more than a mouse. Nevertheless. You can also do this. When users click on a deal on your website, ask them for their email files. I don't know. That's, yeah. What I was thinking. What I was thinking is that what if they click 2 links? And then, but yeah, it's sketchy. It's sketchy. It's a bit too sketchy. I don't know if I want to do that. What I was thinking, if they click for 3 times on 3 links, then they would be showed something like, I see you like these deals. Subscribe to get more directly to your inbox, your email, something like that. Yeah, for AppSumo, yeah, that's a good idea. How did people comment? But I guess for AppSumo, to be honest, one of the dream, probably dream is too much. That's a good idea, Vid. I'll think about. So one of my ideas is, what if AppSumo buys weekly deals one day? That would be nice. Yeah, so on AppSumo you can see they have a ton of stuff. Discover, buy, and sell the products into grow. Get exciting new products and right in your inbox. Join the marketplace trusted by 1,000 million enterprises. Yeah. Customer favorites ending soon. Plus, I mean, I think he shared on freebies. Oh boy. Acquire higher. What's that? Just go with it. Oops, that doesn't work. So that's not good. Yeah, I think what I've heard, he grew on Reddit. More or less. Get ready, someone is coming. 72 event starts July. So this is Tuesday. Yeah, I might need to just look out for more people, get more deals, better deals. reach out to influencers, maybe ask them to promote the site. But I guess the best way to have influencers promote the site is to promote their product on the site, like with Pratham. I like this counter. Find out first, and then you enter your email. It's basically they hire the product to get the talent more or less, so they keep working on the same product or their own product. I would just sell. I would sell and move on to the next project. Have money for the next one. I mean, weekly deals for devs is not the best idea I had, and probably I don't know if can scale too big. I was thinking maybe growing a business or some project or multiple projects. I'm fine with multiple projects to 10K a month. That would be something. If I get there, then it's just a matter of time of making the 100K, right? Yeah, that's right. It's a good starting project. I liked it. It made some money. It I got some experience building, adding a newsletter, sending emails, talking with people, selling the featured deal. So I also had to sell the places. I got some people saying no or not paying $100 to be featured, and I understood because the product was very, very, very cheap and they wouldn't make back the money, you know. Yeah, I mean, I also had to talk with people. So in the end, I've learned a lot, and that's for me, it's very important to learn. Yeah, I got it, Android. I know. I've been listening to him. His on his channel. I've been listening to his videos. I understand what you mean. Yeah. So, find a way to get more people on the site. No, I think that's the wrong idea. Get great deals for the site. Then find people to come on the site to see the great deals and subscribe. Where are your prospects coming from? Your community ads? My community and the people who are featured deals community. How can I make it so that people who ask how much I make, they'll get a link to the site so they can check it out themselves? Yeah, you can go to makemoney.dev, and on the projects page you can see here. In the projects link in the chat. Progress so far. Okay, yeah. Also, with time, I would like this page to have some statistics to... Yeah, I mean, it's good. It's good that I have prospects I want to work on. The one thing I'm concerned about is, like, I need to keep growing. I need to get... So it's a decent start. I wouldn't say it's the best start. $700 into 3 weeks, I think. Like 3 weeks of actual work. Yeah. It's day 6 into day 17, so 3 weeks. It's decent, but it's far from... Yeah. From 10K. 10k a month will be the goal. And yeah, as passive as possible. I mean, I could also build a project which would not make 10k a month, would make a k a month and sell it for 20, 30k, right? If it makes a k a month, that means 12k per year. And if you sell it 2-3 times the value, that's 24, 36k. That will be also good, right? But for that, it has to not be dependent on me, on my community. It has to be standalone. Yeah, I'm at 0.72%. True. A project. I need a project which something with monthly recurring revenue will be nice. Some project which can bring value to people, and something for a couple of dollars, $10 or so a month. If you get 100 people to pay, that's a K a month, and that's like good. Then you can grow it, and yeah. I had the project idea last night, but I don't think I'll have the time to do it. You can still if you think it's a good idea. Yeah, I don't know. I like to come up with my own ideas and yeah, iterate it with the chat and work on it, but yeah. There I could also do some stuff which will be paid one-time payment, like make a course for I have some possibilities to make a course for a company and make a couple K. Have you thought about templates? Yes, we have it in the ideas section. Website templates. For this, I might need a designer, to hire a designer to create really nice website templates. I was listening today for someone who is selling templates or something, and they were talking about having credits. Are you not going to work on the commit to do X project? Are you not going to work on the commit to do X project? I'm not sure what you mean. Well, what's that? I don't understand. Why I'm sleepy. 2 nights ago and 3 nights ago I went to sleep too late and I can feel it. Yeah, let's write down what I did today. The Kaizen project. Oh, this commit to sticking to learning goals. Yeah, that's a good project. I could set it up. What I'd like to do for the next project also is build the project in a week and see if it works. Build it in a week, see if it works. Build it, or maybe even faster. Like yesterday I shared on Twitter. I can't find it. This one. You have 1 day to prove demand. What will you do? But there's also stuff like Buy Me a Coffee where you supply a link to people to take commission. You may have heard of it. Yeah, I don't want to... I'm not very good at backend, and that kind of scares me to go into building something which I need to take payments, pay out, administrate all that. It's tricky. Hey William, good morning. I'm jealous of people who build a project in a weekend and bring it them 1K soon after launch. Yeah, if they have a good idea, right? If it's a good idea, it can work. That's what I want. I like that part too. Build something a couple days in a day. I'll do this one day. I'm going to start stream. Maybe it will be a long stream for 10 hours or so. Start streaming. Start coming up with ideas. Build the product. Find demand. And then, would you put ads on weekly deals? I wouldn't, because I already have this. I will leverage this. I would also thinking, like, instead of charging for the slots, maybe use affiliate links. This week I had a combination of two. Next week I don't. Yeah. I mean, at some point I can have both and be like a solid number, especially if people come and visit it. And yeah, nevertheless, I'm sure that if I continue to do this over and over and over again, week after week, month after month, year after year, I'll eventually come up with you don't do expense tracking for your projects. Asserts are listed project tab, but no mention of liability. I don't know what you said. I don't have any expenses right now. ConvertKit is a bit of expense, but that's for the Make Money Dev, Make Money Dev website. And yeah, other than that, no, don't have any expense. Premium deals which are not featured. I chose to have 2 and 3. 2 paid, 3 free. Oh yeah, the main cost. Yeah, that's it. I mean, look, I know people said at the beginning you should make it a 0 to 100k profit challenge. I don't care about that. If I make 100k and I spend 90k, I'm fine. I did something which people paid for, right? And like, that's good. Then I can worry about like making more profit, right? Yeah, making 100k and spending 200k, that wouldn't be wise. But if I have a bit of profit, fine. Yeah, it was an example, a dummy example, but yeah, I don't care about necessarily having profit, you know. I want to make a product which has value and gets people to pay, and then I'll worry about how I make that better. All right. Yeah, even. I'd spend 90k to make 100k every time. But you have to have the 90k first. But that's true. Like, if you find a deal where you spend $1 and make $1.10, like, that's genius. And if it works over and over, you just repeat it a million times and you have 100k. Right? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, no, I won't get the purple Lambo. For us right now, it's more important to have investments to bring in passive income on long term. I want to be financially free, to not have to worry about money, but like just make money for fun and gave it away. And yeah. I traded my purple Webster purple for Lambo. That would be a killer title for a YouTube video. Yeah. I could make a video called "I'm going to buy a Lambo with the revenue from this video." And but that video has to go viral. I mean, really, really viral. What's a Lambo cost? Lambo price. $200K. 400, 200. I guess this is good. All right, let's say 200K, right? And if you make $2 per 1,000 views, so $2 per 1,000 views, how do you calculate it? 200,000 divided by... Why I'm so bad at math this morning? Yeah, 100 million, right? 100 million divided by 1,000 times 2. Yeah. So I need to make a video which makes 100 million views by a Lambo from that video. I can make a video called "If I make..." This is dumb. Like, if this video gets... No. If this video gets... I can't talk anymore. If this video gets to 100 million views, I'll buy a Lambo. But yeah, not a lot of people watch, and it has to have something for 8 minutes. Change the channel to 0 for Lambo. No, that would be so dumb. I want the money to invest it, as I said. Yeah. You can be the paperclip guy. What I'm talking about? Yeah, if I remember. That's true. I can lease a Lambo now. I mean, probably. Who knows how much there are. Building projects and trading them. How would you trade? Nah. I don't see that working. Like, you have to trade physical. How? Why would someone give you a better I mean, like, you build a product and you have to give it for a better product which has potential but doesn't make that much money, right? And then you have to repeat and repeat and repeat. Yeah. Yeah, Lambo, no. Lambo only if, I don't know. I don't know if I buy. What I might buy one day, it's a BMW i8. That's something I like about it. Not sure why. But not because I need it, I don't, yeah. And this is 100K at most. Yeah, nevertheless. But that's so far along the journey. I don't care about that much. It's just, if it happens, good. If not, fine. I said I need to write in the daily recaps. Prepared the last deals for week 3. Wrote the emails for the following weeks on weekly dev. Brainstormed other ideas. No, brainstormed how to improve weekly and maybe other ideas. Yeah, don't tell me. You wrote it already. Okay. Well, the good thing about this, I was consistent for 3 weeks on this challenge, which is something I haven't done this year with, yeah, I mean, I did it with the workout, but working, I've been working much more in this challenge so far than I did the entire year. So that's like a huge uh, step ahead. If I can keep this up, awesome. Okay. Okay. Let's comment here. Do you reach out to companies directly for paid slots or they reach out to you? Both ways. Mostly me reaching out to other creators now to promote their products. I also leverage my audience. Yeah, for that. Bye Kapoor, thank you for joining the streams and yeah, being around. Appreciate it. Have a great day and take care of yourself for 2 weeks, and all of you take care. I want to see you again in 2 weeks. I can't say I was really productive every week. I was productive most of the day. Every day. Alright. That's it. I'm going to spend time in vacation to write down stuff, read stuff. 2 weeks. I'm going on vacation. It was planned for a long time, so I couldn't. Yeah. To be honest, I would like to continue to work on this even. Yeah. But it's already paid and all that, so I'll just enjoy the time there and use the time to recharge, think more, brainstorm, find ideas, maybe even learn stuff. I stopped watching dummy videos and instead I'm learning stuff side, so that's good. And yeah, I need to come up with an idea to bring in the K. Weekly deals for devs might be the project which brings in the first K. So the next will be 2K, 5K. Baby steps. Yeah. Baby steps. I imagine a couple of months from now, be working on some cool projects which make several hundred per month passive, multiple projects. That would be the dream. All right. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate it that you're coming every day and chatting and giving ideas, and yeah. 3 weeks. Public accountability is what's keeping to committed. Yeah. Yeah, and I'll continue. So I'll see you again in 2 weeks with fresh energy or stuff, and yeah, work on the next project or bring weekly deals to the next step. All right. Take care, everyone. Thanks again for joining, and yeah, be good. Oops, I smashed the pop filter. It's not filtering anymore. Bye. Take care.